So I thought I'd share with you now a practice that I tend to use at night time, especially when I have that overthinking mind. So I think this often happens to a lot of us when we end up going to bed and we turn the light off, and the intention is that we're going to allow ourselves to get a good night's sleep, and all of a sudden, ding, the mind wakes up and it starts talking to us, and it starts reliving everything that's gone on in the the past of the day, maybe even weeks gone by, or worrying about what's going to happen tomorrow. But basically our mind tends to wake up, and it doesn't want to shut down, it doesn't want to stop. So I found this very simple practice which works for me. It doesn't mean that it's going to work for everybody, but I find it really, really beneficial. So it is alternate nostril breathing. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to place your pointy finger in between your eyebrows, and then we're going to use our thumb to close off our right hand nostril. So we're going to breathe in through the left hand nostril. We're going to close off our left hand nostril with our little finger, and we're going to exhale through the right hand nostril. We're then going to inhale through the right hand nostril, close off the right hand nostril, exhale through the left hand, breathe in through the left hand, close off the left hand nostril, exhale through the right hand, breathe in through the right hand nostril, close off the right hand nostril, and breathe out through the left hand nostril. Breathing in again through the left hand nostril, closing off the left hand nostril, breathing out through the right hand nostril. So we do this for about 7 times. And then after we've done that, we allow ourselves just to become aware of how our body feels as we lie there on the bed. So maybe connecting in to the weight of our body. You could alternatively do a mini body scan, going through each part of the body from the toes all the way up to the top of the head. Just allowing yourself to acknowledge how the body feels. And if needs be, then starting again with the alternate nostril breathing. And you'll tend to notice that your focus really does stay with the breathing, and because you're trying to also stay with what am I supposed to be doing? Am I supposed to be shutting off, or am I supposed to be opening up? Just noticing this, and maybe having a few practices before bedtime so that you're aware of how this actually feels for you as well. It can be a bit of a tricky practice, just getting used to acknowledging which nostril we're breathing in, out, which nostril we're breathing out of. But once you've got it, it's dead simple, and it's just a lovely way of allowing your left and your right hemispheres of your brain just to start to slow down, just to regulate with each other. And actually it gives us a great opportunity to get out of our minds and really into our breathing, and then from there we really get into our bodies and having this sense of really feeling that weight of the body just pushing down and holding ourselves in this moment. I hope you find that helpful.